San Diego, California, is a captivating coastal city that beckons visitors with its diverse range of attractions and activities, making it a top-notch destination for tourism. Nestled along the picturesque Pacific Ocean, San Diego boasts a stunning natural landscape, year-round mild climate, and a vibrant culture that sets it apart as a must-visit locale. One of the most iconic features of San Diego is its pristine beaches, including world-famous spots like La Jolla, Mission Beach, and Coronado Beach. Here, visitors can bask in the sun, surf the waves, or take leisurely strolls along the miles of sandy shores. The San Diego coastline also offers fantastic opportunities for water sports like paddleboarding, snorkeling, and kayaking. San Diego is renowned for its family-friendly attractions, with the world-renowned San Diego Zoo topping the list. Home to over 3,500 animals from around the globe, this zoo offers an unforgettable wildlife experience. Nearby, the San Diego Safari Park provides an opportunity to witness exotic animals in a more expansive, natural habitat. Families can also explore the enchanting wonders of Legoland California Resort or dive into the depths of the ocean at the Birch Aquarium. For history enthusiasts, the city offers a trip back in time with attractions such as Old Town San Diego State Historic Park, where you can immerse yourself in the city's Spanish and Mexican heritage. The USS Midway Museum, a retired aircraft carrier turned museum, provides a unique glimpse into naval history and aviation. Balboa Park, one of the largest urban parks in the United States, is a cultural treasure trove with its numerous museums, gardens, and the stunning Spanish colonial-style architecture of the California Tower. Foodies will find San Diego to be a culinary paradise with its diverse and delectable cuisine. The city's Mexican heritage shines through in its authentic taco shops and vibrant street food scene, while its craft breweries offer a vast array of locally brewed beers. Little Italy and the Gaslamp Quarter provide trendy dining and nightlife options, and the weekly farmers' markets offer fresh, organic produce and artisanal goods. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the region's natural beauty in nearby national and state parks. Torrey Pine State Natural Reserve boasts breathtaking coastal hiking trails, and Anza Borrego Desert State Park offers a starkly beautiful desert landscape with opportunities for stargazing. Additionally, the Cabrillo National Monument provides panoramic views of the city and a glimpse into the history of exploration. San Diego's vibrant neighborhoods each have their unique character. The laid-back atmosphere of Pacific Beach and Ocean Beach is perfect for a casual beachfront day, while the upscale boutiques and fine dining of La Jolla make for a luxurious escape. For a taste of Mexican culture and cuisine, a visit to the colorful Barrio Logan neighborhood is a must. In conclusion, San Diego, California, is a multifaceted gem that beckons travelers with its natural beauty, historical significance, family-friendly attractions, culinary delights, and a welcoming blend of cultures. Whether you're exploring the depths of the ocean, wandering through historic streets, or simply relaxing on the beach, San Diego offers a truly unforgettable experience for all who venture to this captivating corner of California.